In this video, I will show you how to change the name on your Robinhood account. To do this, simply go and open up Robinhood, this can be the app or website, and go to the profile section in the bottom right. From there, what you want to do is click on support at the bottom, and then here click contact support in the bottom. Now from there, you want to type the message, I want to change my account name. Then they will say, okay, you can connect with a support agent. So just click on chat with an agent. Then they will notify you when an agent joins. So you can turn on notifications. Now in this case, there's already someone here. So from now, they will just read that I want to change my account name and they will then help me. So now they will ask for some information such as why you want to change your name, and you may need to provide legal documents. So just go and provide everything that they ask for, and from there they will then help you to actually change your Robinhood account name. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.